Carry the torch of hope and fuel the flame of justice. We, the people, burn bright. Our enlightenment cannot be ignored. Our pursuit for equality, unrivaled. I'm a flame, and my body is mine alone. I choose what I do with it. I choose where I go. I have a furnace that burns deep within, rich with the history of our country, grateful for the sacrifice at Sharpeville, an ode to our Constitution. There lies a fire in each of us that cannot be extinguished. Carry the torch and uphold human rights for all. Celebrate human rights this month with SAPC.